What's up everybody, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. Guys, we are back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today guys, we're talking all about 901 Greene Start. Now this product is a multi-purpose fertilizer as it can be used as a secondary starter fertilizer. I say secondary because if you are doing overseeding or sodding or anything in that regard, this is going to be a great application to get down to continue the momentum of that grass seed growing in even further throughout the seeding process. Now, if you're also looking for a product to use during the summertime in times of stress where maybe the lawns aren't growing as much, we're experiencing a little bit of drought stress, this is a great product to use during the summertime. A great lower input substitute, if you will, for the 1801 Greene Punch during times of stress. So to elaborate even further on that, if you're dealing with a cool season lawn and it's non-irrigated, this is going to be a great product for that scenario where the lawn is seeing a lot of stress. And if you have a warm season lawn, it's recommended in certain scenarios where poor fertility is inhibiting overall plant health and nutrient uptake. As far as application rates go with this product, that is going to vary depending on the situation. If you are seeding, overseeding, sodding, anything in that category, you are going to want to apply this product anywhere from 9 to 16 ounces per thousand 3 weeks after germination. If you're dealing with regular everyday applications for warm season lawns, you're going to want to apply this at 16 ounces per thousand. And if you're dealing with cool season lawns, you can apply this anywhere from 16 to 20 ounces per thousand square feet in those times where, again, you need a little bit of a lower dose of N and K input to help carry you through the summer months where, again, you're not seeing a whole lot of rain, the lawn might be stressing out a little bit. It's a perfect substitute, if you will. So there you go, guys. That is it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, and don't just leave a comment, guys. If you have any stories that you would like to share with us on how you've used the 901 Greene Start, different ways you've used it in your lawn care program, please leave those down below. Myself and everyone at the Greene County team would love to hear that. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode of What's in the Jug.